Hey everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair them with your Windows PC using Bluetooth. So, at first you have to enter Windows settings. To do so, click on this Windows icon and click on settings. Now you have to go into Bluetooth and devices. Here click add device and now Bluetooth. Now turn on your headphones and hold the multifunctional button for 5 seconds after turning on. Now you will be in Bluetooth pairing mode, and let's wait until we see our headphones. If we don't see this, we have to click on show all devices. Here we have to click on our headphones on our devices list. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.